Hi everyone, in case you're new here, I'm Kasey Stone with Clear Story Design, and this is the Hyatt House. The Hyatt House was built in 1785 on the banks of the Pamlico River here in Washington, North Carolina, and she's been vacant since 1967. For the last 15 months, my dream team and I have been completely restoring her back to her former glory. I thought you would enjoy some before and after pics. right, so that's a wrap of our before and after pictures of the Hyatt House. Stay tuned, more videos to come. We'll do a walkthrough. We've got some great photography. I just wanted you to see where we started and how far we've come. So thanks for joining us for another video of what's happening at the Hyatt House. See you soon.